Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can combine PDF files in WPS Office app. So if you want to merge multiple PDF files into one using WPS Office, you can just follow this tutorial to combine PDF files quickly on your Android or iPhone using the WPS Office app. So you can just open WPS Office, and if you haven't had the app yet, you can just find it on Play Store or App Store. You can click on search and find or search for WPS Office. Install it on your phone, and as you guys can see, I've already installed one on my device. Tap on open. Okay, so once the app is open, here you just need to find a PDF file that you want to merge. For example, in here, I'm going to just, okay, let's say this one's right here. You can click on the PDF files, the first PDF file that you want to merge, and then you can tap on the three dots icon at the top. Scroll down until you find the options to merge documents. But you need to know that this is a pro feature, so if you want to use this feature, you need to subscribe or join the WPS Office Pro first. Click on merge documents. And now you can just find the second document that you want to merge into the previous one. You can also merge more than two. So in here, let's say I'm going to just use this one, and this one. So I have 4 PDF that I want to merge. You can just tap on start merging. Now WPS will loading the file, and here you can rename the files. So for example, merge example. Now tap on merge at the bottom. It will be merging now. You can just wait a few seconds until it's done. Okay, so now your new merge PDF is ready. You can just tap on open to open it directly. So here is the merge PDF files that I just created. That's all. Did this tutorial help? You can comment merge successfully in the comment section below if you combine your PDFs. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.